Hi, 大家好, welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is super important for anyone traveling or living in China. How to take a taxi or ride-hailing car in China. Getting around in China is really convenient. But if you don't know the right phrases or rules, it still can be stressful. And as a matter of fact, most of the Chinese taxi drivers don't speak or understand English. So in this video, I will show you how to stop a taxi, how to use Didi, the Chinese Uber, essential Chinese sentences for drivers, how to tell your destination, how to ask about price and receipts, and some useful tips to avoid trouble. Let's get started. First, a quick note. In China, there are two main ways to get a ride. First one, normal street taxi. Second way, Didi, the ride-hailing app. Both are safe and common, but sometimes taxi drivers can take a longer route. Well, ride-hailing cars are better in this aspect, because drivers must follow the navigations on the app. Okay, part 1. How to stop a taxi on the street. This is simple. It is the same as in many other countries. Just stand by the road and wave to an empty taxi. Well, after you get into the car, you can say, 师傅, 您好, hello driver. I know this sounds weird in English, but actually, 师傅 is a very common and polite way to call the drivers in China. Repeat after me. 师傅, 您好. Okay, part 2. After you already get in the car and you're already greeting to the driver, you need to tell your destination. This is the key part. The basic sentence is 我要去 I want to go to plus your destination. Examples you can use. 我要去希尔顿酒店 I want to go to Hilton Hotel. 我要去火车站 I want to go to the train station. 我要去机场 I want to go to the airport. Or if you don't know how to say your destination, you can say 我要去这个地址 I want to go to this address. Show the Chinese address on your phone is also a smart way. Very clear and direct, without any mistakes can be made. Repeat after me. 我要去希尔顿酒店我要去火车站我要去机场我要去这个地址 Part 3. During the ride. Here are some useful phrases for inside the car. 师傅可以开下空调吗 Could you please turn on the air conditioner? Driver. 请慢一点 Please slow down a little. 请快一点我赶时间 Please go faster. I'm in a hurry. 停在这儿就可以了 Please stop here. Repeat after me. 师傅可以开下空调吗请慢一点请快一点我赶时间停在这儿就可以了 Part 4. Paying and getting receipt. After arriving, you can ask 多少钱 How much is it? 可以扫码付款吗 Can I pay by scanning QR code? Almost all taxis accept WeChat or Alipay. They will have a printed QR code with them and you just need to scan that. But of course, they also accept cash. But using debit card or credit card can be difficult. I never tried myself, but I think it's not gonna work. 请给我收据 Please give me a receipt. in case you want to do reimbursement later. Repeat after me. 多少钱？可以扫码付款吗？请给我收据。Part 5. Using Didi. It's like a Chinese Uber. I will give you a quick guide for how to use Didi. Open the app, pin your starting point, and put in the destination. Choose the car type. There are the cheap ones, basic ones, and the premium ones. The car model and the service level will be different, so is the cost. But in general, taking Didi or taxi is quite cheap in China. And after you finish with the apps, you just need to wait for the driver coming. And the last step, of course, check the license plate before getting in. And if the driver is around your starting point but he cannot locate you exactly, he maybe will make a phone call to you. Then you can tell them, 您好，我在门口. Hello, I'm at the gate. After you get on the car, you will hear this. 尾号多少? That means literally, what is your last numbers? And it refers to the 4 last phone number you used for the Didi registration. So you just need to answer the 4 last phone number. Repeat after me. 您好，我在门口。尾号多少? And here are some important safety and culture tips. When you order Didi, always check the car and the license plate, in case you get on a wrong one. You can also share your trip with your friends on the app. Then they will get where you are going, where you are currently, and the driver's information. But relax, in China, whether you are taking a taxi or ride-hailing car, it's very safe in most situations. And to be polite, always call the driver 师傅. Last tip, don't be afraid of showing your address on your phone, but it has to be in Chinese. And that's everything you need to know about taking a taxi or ride-hailing car in China. With these phrases, you can travel anywhere easily. Well, that's all for today's video. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe. And if you want, I can also make a video next time about how to take subway in China. Let me know in the comments if you need that. See you in the next video. Bye bye!